Hi, this video is about how to make concrete top. Let's say the inner length is 1008, height 930, depth 550 and thickness 150. First, I'm going to lay out a 800 base unit and make it 150 away from the wall. The 150 is to spare for the side concrete. Then lay out another base unit, change the width to 1000 and stick it to the first unit. Next, I'm going to install the sink. Right click on any of the unit, hardware, sink. Double click a sink and select a matching faucet. Okay, then click on the sink, input a distance on the right. Let's say 400, or depends on the location of the sink you want to put. Then go to Add Worktop. Change the worktop thickness to 150. You may also change the materials and backsplash design. In the advanced setting, delete the back buffer if you don't want to have the backsplash. Then confirm. We have done the top. Now I'm going to make the side concrete. Right click on the top, generate side countertop. Click on the side line, then choose the edge 90 style and check the same as countertop thickness and floor standing, then generate. Repeat the same steps on the right side. Right click, generate side countertop, click the side, generate. We're almost done. Now we're just gonna delete the bottom cabinet. But please note that if you delete the cabinet without board selection, the sink will be deleted altogether. So you need to press B for board selection first, then delete the panels one by one. Alright, that's all for now. Happy trying. Bye.